Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. You came here seeking ways to make money online and have watched many videos, but you're unsure where to start or which videos to focus on. However, since you've clicked on this particular video, I strongly suggest you don't exit it. You're in the correct channel and watching the appropriate video. Allow me to be direct with you by presenting some facts. If you desire improved financial independence and stability, the ability to purchase whatever you want or travel to new places without worrying about overspending, then here are some additional pieces of information. The most effective approach to earning money is quite simple. You don't require any expertise or previous practice to participate, and it's available globally and completely free. You may use any device with internet access to engage in this activity. Although we will be creating videos on YouTube, you won't need a camera or to reveal your face. It may seem absurd, but there is a method to earn money without these requirements. To learn how, you must watch the video in its entirety. It is essential that you do not simply skim through portions of the video because you may overlook important information. This could result in you not earning anything at all. If you go to YouTube and search for amazing stories of kindness, you will discover a plethora of heartwarming videos that are enjoyable for everyone. Many people come here to watch these types of videos to feel good. Watching such videos can not only uplift someone's mood but also motivate them to take similar actions. By scrolling down, you'll find numerous videos with a substantial number of views. Our objective here is to earn money by effortlessly creating such videos. You can also search for amazing stories of bravery. Videos with such content garner millions of views, as can be seen in the case of amazing stories of bravery and stories about miracles. Many individuals enjoy watching videos of this nature. Today, I will demonstrate where we can find similar content. There is even a channel that has become wildly popular in just a few months: Live Stories. Once you access this channel, you can sort the videos. Take a look at the first video that they uploaded. Since its initial upload, it has amassed over 6 million views. This is just one instance of what can happen to your videos as well. Even the thumbnail is appealing, with just images featuring red arrows and circles, yet they are drawing a significant number of viewers due to the content. Let's try watching one of their most recent videos. As you can see, the video only features a voiceover. The individual does not appear on camera. The video creator simply incorporates background music, yet many individuals appreciate this type of content. Thus, channels such as this one can earn a significant amount of money due to the views and ad revenue, even if they were established recently. If you go to socialblade.com and search for the Life Stories by Goldcast channel, you will see that they have uploaded 269 videos so far. Socialblade.com indicates that the Life Stories by Goldcast channel has an estimated monthly income of $455 to $7.3 thousand. Additionally, over the past 30 days, the channel has received nearly 2 million views. If you divide 2 million by 1,000 since on YouTube, you earn money for every 1,000 views, and take into account the estimated income range. You can calculate an approximate earnings figure. Suppose the average CPM cost per 1,000 views for the channel is $5, and the creator earns 55% of that. In that case, if we multiply to $0.75, 55% of $5 by 2,000, they would earn $5,500, which is a considerable amount. This is precisely what you can do as well. For the voiceover, you don't necessarily need an expensive microphone. You can purchase an inexpensive microphone for around $20, or you can use your phone. To create your videos, you'll need a video editing software, and I suggest using OpenShot.org, which is free. You can upload all the royalty-free images you want to include in your video presentation. Starting from scratch and adding your spin to the stories will allow you to monetize your videos. To find content for your videos, you can simply search for Live Stories on Google. You'll find a lot of interesting articles that you can use for your videos. Be careful though, as you might end up spending a lot of time reading through them. Look for the most interesting articles to use as the basis for your videos. If you make your videos interesting enough, you can be sure that a lot of people will want to watch them. and combine the articles with relevant images as the story unfolds. There's a huge and boundless potential since Google provides an almost infinite amount of content. Just ensure that you customize and tailor your content to stand out and polished. It's time to upload your video on YouTube. To get more views, make sure to use relevant tags and titles and promote your video on social media platforms. With some effort and creativity, you can earn a significant amount of money through YouTube monetization. Canva is a great resource for designing attractive thumbnails and for finding stock photos. You can use a website like pxels.com. Just make sure to avoid plagiarism by adjusting and tweaking the stories to make them your own. Before uploading your video on YouTube, ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria for the YouTube Partner Program, which requires at least 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Once you meet these requirements, you can upload your video on YouTube and start earning money.